promised you a companion, and here it is, the Monkey Noises Soundbook Burps. It's a companion to our Hardback, and this one is to listen to all the family making lots of burpy noises after they've eaten. Various things. So will you ever eat a banana again, having heard that? I don't know what this is. Oh my goodness, that is after eating some honey. And oh goodness, I think little toddlers and big toddlers are going to adore these very, very silly burpy book. Right, I've just got to give you all of them. Good grief, that was after eating berries. Honest. Revolting and very funny, and only £3.50 through Bibliophile.